Hello, and this is a brief video where I'm going to demonstrate the new capability of being able to query uh, the memo contents where a PDF is included in the AI's short-term memory. So here we've got my little R&D project, and I've set up a memo over here where this memo is contains a 64-page PDF. It's actually a business plan for a company that I spent too many years working on. But let's find out what how the AI thinks of it. So as you can see, I've embedded this uh, PDF, and it was embedded with the editor. And so when I have the published memo ready for queries, I can just hit the show hide memo chat. That's going to display the chat. And here's where I would ask a question. But notice down here, I've got to include comments in short-term memory and include Flixer BP PDF, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so this here is the include checkbox for the PDF, and that's the title of the PDF. So here, there's no comments yet. As you can see here, there's no comments yet, so I don't need to include the comments. But here I do want to include the PDF. So please explain what Blake spent too many years working on this Flixer company. What was it? Okay, so I'm going to ask that question, and the entirety of the memo is pretty much just this 64-page PDF. So asking the memo, and looks like things are happening in the back end. So, oh, yep, here comes the answer. And so here we get our answer. It's streaming in, and once it's finished streaming in, yep, there we go. We get the whole thing rendered out to us, and there it explains Blake Seffner was the CEO of Flixer and blah, blah, blah. And it basically explains how he tried to revolutionize the world. And so uh, that is basically, you can ask more questions and so on. As you can kind of see, uh, you can ask questions and the questions appear as comments. And now that there's a comment here, you could include that also in the question. If you do not check this, then the comment will be included, but the PDF will not when you ask the question. But either way, this is a brief demonstration. And of course, you can use your voice too with this portion, but I didn't want to show off. So that's it. If you have any questions, contact me.